So the way I overcame the fear that I had, this huge resistance to recording videos and publishing online, is with the knowledge of the brain, actually. So I want to introduce you here to just a few slides of my full presentation. And if you're interested, just have a look below, find the link, and then you can watch a full presentation. But the brain is this funny thing, and I wish I would have known before a lot of the things that I talk about in my presentation. The advance in brain scanning technology with fMRI. So MRI is a static brain scan. fMRI is the real-time scan of the brain, and I'll show you here just a small clip, a few seconds. So basically you have someone inside the machine, and as the person change emotions, we can actually see here on the right the different brain regions that are active. I'll just play it again, and we can see it in real time. And then with computers and data science, we can map networks in the brain. So it's not only the region of the brain which is active, but the whole network. And the main discovery is that we have two big networks in the brain, or two major networks. Here on the left is the DMN, the default mode network. So it's the default one. If we don't pay attention to what we're doing, for most of us it will be the active one, and it's different parts of the brain. I'm not going to go in the anatomy of the brain, but basically there are multiple regions of the brain that are active when we're in that network, in that mode. And then we have the task positive network. So this is again other parts of the brain, part of the right brain here, and really just to put it in more layman's term, we have on the left side here, and it's part of the left side of the brain and other parts of the brain, but the just to make it easy here. So on the one part, one side we have the negative feelings. So anything like fear and anxiety, anger, shame, guilt, regrets, blame, any type of negative self-talk. This is one particular network in the brain called the DMN. You don't have to remember the names, but basically we have this negative feeling network. And then when we're positive and we feel calm and peace and joy and curiosity, empathy, creativity, when we have this positive self-talk, then another region of the brain called the TPN is active. And the big discovery is that we can actually switch from the negative brain network to the positive brain network very easily, or relatively easily. We have to practice, we have to pay attention, we have to be able to detect our negative feelings, so we can then do some exercises to switch to the positive side. But I've been doing it for the last 6 months, and that was, the catalyst to me being able to be more positive about my knowledge and about, changing my business and going from a freelancer to offering, something different to the marketplace and going after different markets. And this is what I've learned in the last 6 months and practice and put into put some efforts in, definitely, but it pays off, because now I can record videos, and I can talk about all sort of different things, and I don't have this fear or this discomfort, this resistance to recording videos and then publishing it. Now I do it. It's one take, it's not perfect, and that's fine. I don't judge myself anymore. I don't fear the judgment of other people, and I know it can resonate with some people, and I don't feel that I need to take 20 takes to record a video. It will not be perfect. I'm fine with it. I don't judge myself. And that's one way to resonate with the audience, is that, hey, I'm not perfect. I'm learning through my journey, and it's going to resonate with some people. So if you're interested to know more, just have a look below. There will be some, at least one link, and then you can register to see the full presentation. And that changed my life. I'm much more comfortable now, promoting myself, promoting my ideas, talking about what I know, and helping other people.